Well, good morning everyone. It is Mark and Billy. Today's the 25th of November, a Tuesday at 10:10 a.m. We're at Lake of the Ozarks, public beach number 2, PB2. Trying to get a day of fishing in before the weather really turns stinky. Got a cold front approaching us right now. It'll be here later this evening. So we got a lot of little drizzle, overcast, slight 52 degrees right now, slight wind from the west at 7 miles an hour. So you can feel it in your bones, that chill. And it's only going to warm up to about 57 degrees. So we're kind of dressed for the cold, and we're going to hit some docks on our way out. No particular baits in mind. We'll use what we did last week. If you saw that video, we did very well on the swim baits. But I've got swim baits, I've got some worms, I've got top water crankbait, and some jigs that we're going to give a try and see if that works. Got a minor feeding window from 11 to 12. That usually doesn't pay out like they say. We don't see any difference on any feeding windows. Let me see what the water temperature is though, because I know the water temperature is dropping. Anyway, the water is 59.2 degrees, so it is dropping. Probably almost time for an egg rig, right, Billy? But thanks for joining in. Thanks for watching the channel. Like and subscribe, and have a great Thanksgiving coming up in 2 days. Turkeys are getting ready for the oven right now. I know our turkey is. We're looking forward to having a good Thanksgiving meal here in town with the family. I hope you get in yours. Have a great Thanksgiving as well. We're going to catch some fish. We'll put them in the highlights, so stay tuned for those highlights. Here we go. I got a nice fish. Caught it right by the log too, didn't you? Twin-tail grub. That might be a keeper too.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way